Ngidaqala ngayo Mfana Nkosi. Mfana Nkosi sibonga kakhulu ukuthi sithi sibe bhola usivumele bantwa bethu siphe nendzawo la singakha khona tinkundla tekudlalela especially ibhola ke. Ngiyajabula ukuthi nawe Mfana Nkosi kulomunye loyidlalile le bhola. And ke kube kuhle ke bobabe tikhulu nababona bomgcoka bekuthi imidlalo tibe khona. Ushito ke minister la wathi uma siushukumisa umtimba uncipha le budget yemaphilisi ngale bantu ngokuthi bahlale baphilile natural. Sithi nje sibonge kakhulu Mngane Nkosi ukuthi u-encourage nawe ube part of us ekumekeleni lesipho lesi. Ngiwukele kuye umhlonisha wethu lophindze kabe induna yenkosi etikweni letembili. Sithi asibonge mkhulu kuloku kusembese kona ema teams ethu. eBhayibhelini ke kube khona vele livesi ngiyakhumbula kwakhona livesi lelikhona ngathi noma amaBhayibheli ayatshintsha ingcenye selasuka ngetewali but likhona livesi lelikhona lelithi na uhlonipha uyihlo nenyoko ukuthi akhothi yanzu yabusiseka. The only verse leline promise siyakwati lokho. Ngiyathemba ngekuthi ihlonipha kwenu nini ema clubs ubonile umhlonishwa ukuthi agende lokunje kini nimvile ke ukuthi uthiteni ukhulumile ukuthi ngendlela le niphatheke ngayo kwenda ukuthi kube ne-investor confidence ukuthi utimbanja kanye nalabantu lokusho ukuthi ke nani ma-teams kumgcoka ukuthi nitiphathe kahle. Vele ke minister sinemthetho thina sine-constitution la kunema-rules labesadlalisa lawo ma-tournaments ngetindlela tawo. Kumgcoka kulandzela le mithetho leyo because kuyabonakala ukuthi kune-paper trail uyakhona ukutrace ukuthi kwendekani kahoho kwendekani kule midlalo. Uma unenkinga ukubhalele lana kusho wona lo mthetho siwulandzele kahle. Ngaleyo ndlela sibambisana lula bese ke letithelo uNkulunkulu latisho ukuthi na uhlonipha boyihlo nenyoko tiyanza nje kubuka namuhla sesinjani. And sibonge kakhulu umkholo ukuthi boRafaela ke kasini esiningi baye ukhanze ukuthi sibacabanga muva kanti ngibona labakhi emidlalweni ngeke idlale lemidlalo kude boRafaela. Vela ngisho ke emkholo ukuthi le region le confirm nami ngiyona lesiproducela boRafaela lesithi gaba ngabo laveni. Ngiphinze ke ngisho nebadlali umdlali lomunye lone medal of honor from His Majesty kwaBangithoni Thabethe naye uqhamuka khona ngala Phinze goalkeeper lomkhulu kangani angithi naSipho Dube naye uqhamuka ngala lokudlala ethimbe
umkhulisi
bonke I think ina technical director wethu so wahlala ngala ngimanga sayibona lenza so le nkundla lena vela siso mhlonishwa ukuthi he has a positive impact in our football. Iyasebenza nje contributor a lot. So ke insayela ke ikithi thina ema teams ukuthi do we still carry on with that lighting torch to endeavor the objectives ebhola kangwane jikelele. Bophiri sebake bamamba ema games lamakhulu la Africa nje iyonkhana. It's not a joke kubamba lama kuRafaela kulawo manani lawo. Lamanye amave makhulu kakhulu in terms of population. Manje nje ukuthi for South Africa you're talking about 60 million and bukelwa abantu labang close to 100,000 now say FNB. It's not easy. Bantu bayesinza but they are able to handle that. Sibonga kakhulu nje. Mhlambe mhlonishwa sengidawuthatha le advantage ngekuthi ulapha ecabinet Mhlonishwa. We feel ukuthi football it's a big industry. I think sports is second to drugs. Second kulele sikiko minister. After health cishe ma sports. Vele kwekuthi la kangwane asalo sitama kuyi professionalizer le bhola singa investor kiyo. I think it is in safe hands, minister. It can assist Gungwe spirit in employing the youth. Ibhola now buka le value chain in it. It's quite a lot. If lama teams abengaba professional, dawukhanza ukuthi sekuqashwe omake labaphekako, ma dry clean, bantu nabayobukela babukela quality football and bayageza labantu. Bayadla along the way, better petrol, we were ebholeni. So it's an industry that has a value chain in it. And if nje singaqala si-invest imali encane sitawugcina sibona kukhulu lento sesibona ukuthi hey abantu bayasitakala because it's a team sport ibhola. Ufuna nje uma professional mbamba ukathi club yinye uqasha abantu labala kubo 70 or so laba bukete nje ibhola mawubala nebadlali, you see. So sinangakho ema teams la kangwana. So as I said, maybe scala professionalizer from Super League get to it can really take a lot of youngsters and it can maybe ease the burden to government kulento leyo. Siyacela nje Mhlonishwa ukuthi vele kungeva ukuthi solo kunebhili awumane nabakithi vele niyibukete ngemehlo elikhozi masinyane ukhanze ukuthi seyaphumelela. Ngeke ke ngithakude kakhulu nje kubonga mkholo kulosendele kona emaclubini asesigangeni kusiphocosini inkundla kuhle kakhulu siyadiqhenya ngawe siyathemba ukuthi wananawo atokubambisa Thebulasi konke into lotendako nje usende emangweni umango unetidzingo letinenge ngidawushiyela olubukete ibhola kangwane vele salo naye asibongisa nabakithi kulomsebenzi lomkhulu kangaka sithembe nje emkholo ukuthi nasekhaya usibongele kubomake nebantwana noma lenye phela imali khaya ukuthi seyiphuma ngakibo but ke inemthelela leminingi ngobonga sibonge.